Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a meeting in Google Meet step by step. Google Meet makes it easy to start online meetings for work, school, or personal use. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Google Meet. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, you'll see several options for creating or joining meetings. To create a new meeting, click the New Meeting button. A menu will appear with three different options. The first option is Create a Meeting for Later. This generates a meeting link that you can copy and share with participants whenever you're ready. The second option is Start an Instant Meeting. Selecting this option immediately starts a new Google Meet session. The third option is Schedule in Google Calendar. This allows you to create a calendar event and invite participants in advance. For this example, let's select Create a Meeting for Later. Google Meet will generate a unique meeting link. Click Copy to copy the link to your clipboard. You can now share this link with anyone you want to invite to the meeting through email, chat, or any other messaging platform. If you want to start the meeting immediately, click Start an Instant Meeting instead. Once the meeting opens, you can use the controls at the bottom of the screen to turn your microphone and camera on or off. When participants join using the meeting link, they'll appear in the meeting automatically, or you may need to admit them depending on your settings. You can also use additional features such as screen sharing, chat, captions, and recording if they are available for your account. And that's it. You've successfully created a meeting in Google Meet. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Meet tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.